Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this unique and authentic Odia dish, Khira Poda Pitha. This is a traditional recipe of Odisha. This is basically a baked milk cake. The taste is so authentic and the texture is just so soft. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी को ओडिया देखियो चाहछन्ती देन तळे थिया डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स लिंक को चेक करंतु. First take 1 cup of short grain basmati rice and soak it for 2 to 3 hours. Discard the water and transfer the rice to a blender jar. Add 2 tablespoons of water. Blend and make fine paste. Now grease a pan with ghee. Keep it aside for later use. In another kadai, heat 2 teaspoons of ghee and add few chopped cashew nuts. Roast the cashew nuts till golden. Now add few raisins and roast till they puff off. Add 4 cups of milk. The ratio of rice to milk should always be 1:4. Now heat the milk on medium flame and bring it to boil. The milk has started boiling now. Add 2/3 cup of sugar. Mix well and dissolve the sugar. Now add a pinch of salt, 2 tablespoons of chopped coconut, 3 tablespoons of grated coconut and half teaspoon of cardamom powder. Mix well and cook for a minute. Gradually add the rice paste and keep mixing. At this stage keep the flame on low. The mixture has started to thicken now. It has started to come together and now it has started to separate from the pan. At this stage turn off the heat and transfer the mixture to the greased pan. Spread the mixture using wet palm while hot. Now brush ghee on top. Cover and let it cook on low flame for 25 to 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, the pitha is perfectly cooked now. Allow it to cool down to room temperature and then flip it on a plate. Our poda pitha has come out super soft. Now cut it into desired pieces. See how soft and jiggly the pitha is? Serve it in a plate like so. And here it is. Our delicious Khira Poda Pitha is ready. This is a totally unique recipe. If you follow the same measurements as I did, then you will end up with super soft and jiggly poda pitha. So this Roger, try it out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. So if you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.